people that I work with. I've been I've been practicing almost 18 years, and I've come across different, practices, and this practice is just so genuine and honest, and it's just, and the people really, really like their job, and so that's what my, level of, I just feel like that's what I want every day. Right. I don't want to go to work and always feel like, oh, I'm going to dread going to work and stuff like that. That's just, I enjoy coming to work every day, and so I don't like to make excuses. Some people are like, I don't want to get up, I don't have that attitude, and that's been like that ever since I've been working with Dr. Bates and, this lovely staff.